I believe it is day 218. We're on our way to the beach. We're gonna go eat first and then we're gonna head over to the beach. I don't know which one yet. But yeah, we're gonna get the day started. It's Friday. Here with my sisters. And my brother's inside somewhere. We're just waiting on Mr. Otis to go pee-pee because
he probably left already.
He needs to go pee-pee.
Hey, yo, where are you?
Wait, I want to be on the spotlight.
Monica, he's not even here no more. Nice try.
Did you see that wind when I did it? Do I look like Perry?
Wish. I wish. Where is he at? He's not even there.
Monster fries. Holy Jesus.
Can I get a Coke, please?
I got a cheeseburger from freaking Wendy's. Delicious. Sausage. Egg. Oh. I think Melissa's looks the best. Hola. Ay, no. Behind.
Wait, let me get one for Snapchat too. No, seems mala. Melissa's fries are gonna fly away and I can't wait. I'm holding it.
Stop licking my fingers. Made it here to the pier, as you can see. We're gonna sit here for a while, but it's freaking kind of cold. What the hell? Look at that view though.
Get on the call what you did.
What did I do?
You ate a giant slice of pizza with the Coke.
Cheeseburger.
And you still got another cheeseburger.
This is what it looks like when we come here at night. It looks pretty nice, huh? I know. Look at those big ass waves.
Twilight when Victoria beat Vice.
That's why I told Monica I shouldn't get it.
Wow.
En cuál playa?
Anything beach?
Mili, really, what's up with all these stains?
Tu camisa está bien sucia.
La tuya, pendeja.
Fuck you.
Dude, Minnie's lips are all blue, really?
Dodger blue. Stop flexing. I'm just kidding.
I just you.
Ay, no. Is it cold? Is it? Yeah, right. Back out. Dude, that's not warm. What the fuck? It's fucking cold. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Dude, I'm not editing that out. What's up, wait.
Monica, so where are we going?
I'm tired. Do you want to watch Suicide Squad tomorrow?
No, Monica, tú.
In
With
LA?
with your boyfriend. Hey, what's up, guys?
Lewis the cat here.
We should move.
Pero I know, pero bueno.
Anyways, I'm freaking tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. Like literally go to sleep because I'm freaking tired. I was trying to hatch my 10K 10 kilometer egg, but I only got to I think 6, I think. So I'm gonna finish the rest tomorrow because I'm freaking tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. So we'll see what tomorrow has in store. Day 218, 19. Today was 217, I think. I don't know, I'm lost. But anyways, yeah. So we'll see what tomorrow has in store. Good night.